Ever pondered on the severity of iron issues in your water supply? Or wondered if there's a solution that can help tackle this problem effectively? Well, the answer lies in a remarkable piece of technology known as air injection iron filters. SoftPro AIO IronMaster Catalox water filter is known to be the #1 choice due to its air injection programming abilities and the superb iron, sulfur, manganese removal capabilities over other medias offered. The AIO IronMaster Catalox water filter even raises the pH balance in the water to help the system perform better. Air injection iron filters are a game changer in the world of water filtration. They work by oxidizing the iron, sulfur, and manganese in water, transforming them into solid particles that can then be filtered out. This leaves you with clean, iron-free water that's safe for consumption and use around the house. Take the SoftPro AIO IronMaster Catalox water filter. This filter is one of the most robust options on the market. It's designed to handle high levels of iron, up to 30 parts per million. It also can remove up to 5 ppm manganese, sulfur, sediment, and raise the pH balance in the water. This system is a testament to water filtration excellence. That's a level of iron that would turn most water a reddish-brown color and leave a metallic taste. But with the AIO IronMaster Catalox water filter, you get fresh, clear, iron-free water every time. And then there's the AFW Filter's AIS 1025 SXT air injection filter. This filter is capable of removing up to 10 ppm iron and 2 ppm manganese. It uses a filtering media called Filter AG. This media does not have the same capabilities as the Catalox media that will remove iron up to 30 ppm and manganese up to 5 ppm. Catalox will also remove sediment, sulfur, and raise the pH balance in the water. In conclusion, severe iron issues in your water supply don't have to be a nightmare. With the right air injection iron filter, you can enjoy clean, iron-free water. Whether it's the SoftPro AIO IronMaster Catalox water filter or the AFW Filter's AIS 1025 SXT, the key is to choose a filter that's capable of handling the severity of your iron issues. And with that, you're well on your way to a healthier, iron-free home.